Hi there, welcome back to Benny Halt. Now, last time you saw me, we were at the other end of the yard and we were stood by the engine shed talking about all of the exciting things we have this winter. Now, we're right in the middle of a very exciting little addition, which is actually the start of something much bigger. But more on that later. Let's go and take a look. So, you can see behind me, a new turnout has appeared. Those regular visitors will notice that the track comes through the platform, goes off down under the very historic railway bridge. And I'll tell you a little interesting side fact at the end of this video, so stay watching. Now, the new turnout has been installed to allow a second road to go alongside our existing one under the bridge for additional carriage storage. Why are we doing it, I hear you ask? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Operational flexibility has always been something we've strived to improve because our passengers don't want to wait too long for trains and we don't want to keep them waiting either. So, putting another siding in allows us to keep additional carriages under the bridge, as well as one train set which would normally form train 2. Our future plans include the possibilities of running 3 trains at once. So this could be something to do with that. But you'll have to just watch this space. So, the boys are busy. They've installed a brand new turnout, as you can see, having moved the old section of track out the way, dug the track bed, put the turnout in, filled it with ballast, and compacted it round. Do check out our other videos because we talk about ballast and getting the correct alignment, and they're available online too. Well, here we are at the historic road over rail bridge at Benny Halt. Now, no passengers ever get to travel under this bridge on the rails, but that doesn't matter. It's still a very historic little structure. So once upon a time, the land would have been quite a bit lower than it is today, but it's been built up over the years to allow our railway to pass under in the correct alignment with the rest of the railway going through the platform. But something that a lot of people don't know is the unusual shape of the edge of the bridges. They sort of go around the arch and then out on the shoulders before they go down the abutments. Well, that is because in the Second World War, when this was a full-size railway, the bridges were apparently widened to allow the passing of tanks. So that's why you can see on this bridge and the one at Mether, as you go under, take a look as the arch curves round, they then just kick out on the very sides. And if you look very carefully, on this bridge, you can still see the original soot from when it was a full-size railway right up until 1963. So we look forward to joining you next time and you coming to see what we're up to. So keep watching and thanks very much indeed.